In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when a game won't launch or open on your Xbox Series S or X. So in this example, we're going to pretend Fortnite won't open. So the first thing I recommend you do is press the menu button on your controller, and then you want to see if there's an option to quit. If there is, you want to quit out of the game fully, and then try and relaunch it and see if it works. If that doesn't work, the next thing I recommend you do is go up to My Games and Apps, and then you want to scroll down to Manage and go over to Queue, and have a look and see if your game is updating. If it is, that could be the reason why it's not opening. Now, if that doesn't work either, press and hold the X button on your controller, and then try restarting your console and launching the game. If that doesn't work next, we're going to press the menu button on your controller again, and go to Manage Game and Add-ons. From here, you want to uninstall everything, which is going to get rid of your game, and if you haven't been connected to the internet recently, it'd also delete your save data as well. But if you're normally connected to the internet, that won't be a problem. So if that doesn't work either after reinstalling it and trying to launch it, the next thing I recommend you do is go to Settings. And from Settings, we're going to scroll down to System, and we're going to go to Console Info. Here, you'll be able to reset your console where you can reset and keep your games and apps, or reset and remove everything. But I wouldn't recommend doing this unless you know what you're doing and you've exhausted every other measure. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.